Here I have phyllo pastry, like fine vermicellis, so-called kataif or kunef, depends where you are, Savoiardi biscuits, mascarpone, cold coffee, Baileys, whipping cream, 2 extra fresh eggs with 100 grams of sugar. Let's start mixing. And let's start mixing again. In the bowl I have 500 ml of whipping cream, which I'm going to do now, and then we can put together both creams and get ready with assembling. Here we are. I'm going to roast now the phyllo pastry. This is the color you're looking for. It is nice and golden. I am going to add some chocolate spread and mix it all together. If you think you might need a little bit more, just add a little bit more. Or instead of chocolate spread, if you don't like it, you can take a milk chocolate. I would avoid taking a dark chocolate because it's going to be too solid when you put it in a fridge. At the bottom, we are going to put this mixture. And please make sure to press it down nicely. This is going to give it such a nice crunch. And I prefer it this way, and I hope there are many of us who don't like pistachio cream. Taste test. Can you hear it? Delicious. I forgot something. Baileys. Only thing missing is cocoa powder. I think this looks already delightful. Tiramisu is ready. Let us cool it, and then we are going to have a taster all together.